Hello there. Let me teach you how to fix Do Not Disturb not working on your iPhone. Um, to make sure that it's on, if you can see here on the top right over here, there's a crescent moon icon. If it's a crescent moon, it means D&D or Do Not Disturb mode is on your iPhone. So to check on that, just swipe up, and you should see over here it says Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, or Sleep. These are the focus mode enabled with my phone. So I already have Do Not Disturb on. Just to check if it's working or not, let's go to settings. Look for focus. It should be this one right here. Once you open this one, if you see Do Not Disturb on, it means it's working. However, if in some cases it's not working on your phone, you're still receiving notifications or calls while you see the half crescent moon icon on top, that only means that you already have allowed some people to contact you over here, or you already allowed apps to notify you even you have the disturb on. So technically it's not broken. You just allowed certain people or certain notifications and app to be allowed while you have a do not disturb mode on. Check on that. Just click on focus, go to do not disturb, and you have two choices here. Go to people and then go to apps. Just make sure that it says none allowed for both of them. If you made sure that and then turn on do not disturb again, you should not receive any more notifications. And that's it. That's how to fix do not disturb not working on iPhone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.